Yes. Welcome to the 7th edition of the Young Scientist Kenya. I'm Esther Kialo.
I'm Lea Wanjiko.
We're students from Matuga Girls High School, here to present to you a project in the title Smart Dustbin in the category of Biological and Ecological Sciences. My partner is going to take you through the first part of the abstract.
On to our abstract. Proper waste management is important for building habitable and sustainable cities, but this remains a major challenge in most of the developing countries. The bulk of solid waste is created by household, industrial, and commercial activities. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, municipal solid waste is expected to reach approximately 3.4 gigatons by 2050.
Many of these cities lack solid waste proper disposable facilities, including for the harmful waste, such as may be infectious, toxic, or even radioactive, thus posing a great health hazard in the long run, or even contributing immensely to global warming. My partner is going to take you to the first part of the statement of the problem.
On to a statement of the problem. According to the February 2015 publication made by the National Environment and Management Authority, accumulated waste deposit is an indication of societal lifestyle, waste management practices, and also production technology. Some societies are at their peak of their development but have stagnated due to inadequate management of waste, leading to proliferation of diseases and an ultimate impact of livelihood.
Waste being one of the contributors of greenhouse gases poses the threat to climate change, and it is for this reason, as a country, we should come up with initiatives and clubs to curb this growing global challenge. My partner is going to take you to the aim of the project and the significance.
The main aim of this study is that it will help us to offer a solution by developing a waste disposal smart bin to be placed at strategic locations, especially in urban centers. The significance of this study is that it will help to design a contact-free device that will help in waste management practices. It will also help us to develop alternative ways of waste management practices. On to our methodology, we are going to use materials such as the one piece of the ultrasonic sensor for proximity detection, the servo motor that controls the opening and the closing of the trash bin, and the one piece of ultrasonic sensor for trash level detections, which are located inside.
We're also going to use materials such as the stepper motor, which controls the movement of the smart trash compactor. We're also going to use the L298N motor driver, which is on the inside, and not YSK H266 microcontroller, which is also on the inside, and voltage regulation components to ensure sufficient movement of the charges. And the procedure of workability, we first connect it to power using the adapter, and next, you also connect it to the internet to the laptop hotspot right there. And then you approach the bin with trash and dispose the trash. As you can see, when you connect it to power, it's light and welcome. Then you approach the bin with trash approximately 90 centimeters. It detects your presence and opens up the door. Then you continue disposing in your trash until the sensors detect the level of trash and sends a message to the laptop. And my friend is going to take you to the data analysis.
On to our data analysis, we use questionnaires to come up with graphs that show the solid waste management practices used in Kenya. From the graphs, you could see that most people use dustbin as a way of disposing their waste. We also use questionnaires to come up with graphs that show the effects of poor waste management of solid waste. And from the graphs, you could see that poor waste management of solid waste has an adverse effect on climate change.
Through this study, we concluded that the use of dustbin, landfills, and burning are the main waste disposable practices in our Kenyan urban towns. And these methods pose great health hazards into ourselves and also contribute immensely to the global challenge. And we find that the bin has limitations, such as it uses electricity, and also it can't separate the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable waste. So we therefore recommend that more research should be done to help in the use of the solar systems, which can help in using the bin instead of the electricity. We can also embark on more research to find a way of separating the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable waste, and also embark on seeking technological research in which will help in creating more ways of creating the solutions of disposing trash. And we should also create awareness for Kenyans to find the effect of poor waste management. Apart from the acknowledgement.
On to acknowledgement, we would like to thank our project supervisor, Mr. Raja, for his relentless support in ensuring that our research work was a success. Second, we would like to acknowledge our chief principal, Madam Caroline Zawadi, for her financial support. And above all, we would like to thank the Almighty God for granting us this day. Thank you.